Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to describe this picture. This is a village picture. I can see a big mango tree in the middle. The mango tree gives cool shade. Many ripe mangoes are hanging on the tree. The father is plucking mangoes with a long stick. Mangoes are falling down from the tree. The mother is collecting the mangoes in a basket. She is smiling and looks happy. One child is clapping and jumping with joy. Another child is picking mangoes from the ground. A brown dog is running near them and wagging its tail. In the background, more children are playing a game together. They are holding hands and running in a circle. There are small houses, trees, and green fields around. The weather is sunny. The village scene looks peaceful, happy, and lively. Now, pause this video and describe this picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.